What happened, bro?
चालू થઈ ગયું છે. Welcome back. I'm Punapal Shah, and today we have Javier with us, and
Hello,
we will
everyone.
gonna like previously you have seen we have upgraded our project to
What
Livewire
happened,
4,
bro?
and it was sleek enough. And today we're gonna use uh, some of the features which Livewire 4 is providing, and we will gonna make some code cleanup as well along with that. So I hope I have opened the correct project. It seems to be a correct project. Yeah. Let me zoom it a bit and share my screen. And before that, Jay will introduce himself. Yeah. You are on mute, I guess.
Okay, yeah, sorry. Hello,
Okay.
everyone. I am Jaivir Chawda, and I work with Laravel, Livewire. In short, I work with Tolstex. I build and scale applications.
Yeah. Okay. So I have shared my screen, and last time you have seen that we were facing some issues. Let me close few stuff. I wasn't aware that we have some other stuff opened already. Okay,
Yes.
that's fine. Let's open live at chat app and quickly log in into it. I hope I will be able to log in, and let's do remember me. So yeah, so we are into it already, and we are using live v4 right now already. Let's see the composer JSON. Yeah, so we are using live v4 already, and now what we can do is we will gonna do island you will gonna use islands, and we will gonna do some code cleanup for infinite scrolling. But before that, let's understand how the infinite scrolling is working, right? And if we see this list chats, yeah, this one, and we can see lot of code is written over here, which is like there is a placeholder as well, render as well. But this will also have another like component which is like index, I guess. Yeah. So when you hit this chat's URL, let's go to the chats web.php, and let me tell you that we don't have anything at all. Yeah, here live at chats, which calls this chats component. Okay, and we this component doesn't have anything at all. And okay, we can see that it has just rendered view which has nothing, just rooms and chats again. But this chats now, like in live app v4, like in v3 we used to, I think I can show you. uh yeah, so in v3 we used to do when we have component with a name index, we used to define like chats.index. But now after v4 we need to do it directly, like you cannot define like dot index or something like that. So I don't know if I don't think so that uh, this will probably gonna work with these. But what I can do is I can simply open the component itself. Now we can see what we have here, which is index, where there is a room id, which is something like when I select one of the I'm not able to select it or what. Okay,
Reloaded, it
yeah,
will work.
yeah, no, it is working. I don't know, there was some. So when I select any particular room from here, it dispatch event, and we will have a room over here, like room id 12 or something like that, right? So that is how it is going on, and we have some filters which is added by Javier. I literally don't have much idea about that. Then we have a room, so as a computed property, so like it will be like loaded once. But this all I think you know whatever it is. So when you click on the one of these, it will display the event room selected with the ID, and you will have now ID here. That's it. Then you can see the toggle filter stuff and all. That is not matter much. Let's see the main thing now, which is for okay. hmm Okay, it is not auto completing, so we can just go to. I don't know why it is not doing that. It should do that. Maybe I don't know. Let's
I think
go
you know
directly.
to
Yeah, what I need to
reload the Windows. You know to
Windows.
reload that VS Code Windows. Yeah.
Why?
Press Control Shift P.
No, no. We are
Control
already
Shift P.
into this, and it is just
Okay, no
like
worries.
simply we are actually into the yeah correct one. So here we just show that who is the right now the user, which the owner user I guess most probably, and or maybe like if there is no user, I mean the room is not equal to null, then we check some stuff. There is many things is happening, but mostly what we are interested in is this list chat where everything is happening. So this is everything just for the user is active or user is there or not, and this all filter by stuff and all, right? So you can do start to any particular chat, and like you can just see the start chat. That's it, right, JV?
Yeah,
So this is
that's
what
correct.
all here, which is not related at least for this stream, or at least what we are doing right now. So here what we will gonna see much, and this is what we may gonna delete it. So there is a possibility of deleting this component itself, or maybe improving it, right? And this is something else which is like we see over here to send a message and all, but I don't think so we will gonna look into it right now. So yeah, the component which we will gonna look is um this list chats, right? So let me close everything and find list chats. So this is what we have, which has some placeholder. So what will gonna happen is when we have a lot of chats, and it's okay, I need to find a room which have a lot of chat. Okay,
Yeah,
so this is the placeholder simply. So if I will maybe say
delete
h1,
comment that part.
and no, I shouldn't do that like this. Then okay, let me go to another room. So you can see the loading there. So this is the placeholder. That's it, right? Uh, yeah, that's it, right? This is the placeholder, and it could nothing else. And there is one random method, and we have room id, which is like inherited from the parent. Then limit offset. Here we are doing some magic which I will show you soon. And this is filters which was also added by, and it is reactive. So whenever parent has some changes in the filters, it will also be affected to the child. That's it, nothing much more than that. Okay, so right now we can see that if we do have a offset greater than 0, then we dispatch one event called chats loaded to the self, right? And we are just rendering this view which has like this query chat. We are filtering something, we are loading, and like with some stuff and all, we have limit and the offset. That's it. Okay, this
Maybe I
was
think
not the
we
tricky
can,
part.
yeah, we can use computed properties here for chats.
No. So
Okay.
now the crazy part comes into the picture, where we are uh, loading all the chats here, like whatever chats comes into the this query, like it most probably whatever the limit is. But after that we check if offset is 0 or chat is empty, right? So if there is no chats at all and offset is 0, that means there is no chat. So we show that be the first one to comment. So there will be some empty room or something like that. I don't know. There are none of them. So what we can do is we can just create uh, one of them and see, this message appears when there are no chats at all. That's it. Now the tricky part is coming. So if count is equal to limit, right? If the count is equal to limit, that means we have more chats at least. We could have like more chats. So if count is equal to limit, what we do, we add chats again, right? At below.
Yeah, we will list
And what
chats.
we do, we just do recursively call the chats stuff. And what we do is we also dispatch one event from here to, like, this is for v3 like we used to do in v3 event, which
Yes.
what that event do, it has one main container which is like when offset is 0, this list chat id will be the offset 0, right? And the current, so we will gonna get current offset, so that will be the current container. So what we do on, so we are using this request animation frame. You can like google about it, or I can simply explain. When full live render complete, or we can say the animation complete, this code block will run, right? So we don't have any issues like the code run before livewire have rendered the stuff, right? And after that what we do is we just move all chat from current container to main container. So the everything will be semantic, right? So this is what we used to do, right? But today what we will gonna do is we will gonna convert this into the island stuff. So for that we have two options. One option is to utilize list chat itself, and another option is to remove list chat totally, right? So I think what I like what I like to do is to remove list chat totally. Do you agree, JV? Or we should utilize this list chat? There is one comment.
I think so you know the most
Hey.
part, right? So it's better that you decide.
So what we will gonna do when we remove, I think we should remove, like we
Yeah,
shouldn't
I
have
can
like
give one
nested
suggestion.
components, like nested components, lot of many nested components. So I think what I will like to do is
Okay.
I would like to remove it, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this stuff is not working. I literally forgot.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah. For that, you need to reload your current window.
okay, but I can do one thing as well, which is this. Now we have open this one. So what I will gonna do is I will gonna remove this, right? Correct. I will gonna remove
Yeah.
this and put all the logic here itself.
Okay.
Yeah, that will be cool, I guess. Do you think? Do you think that will be cool? Like
Mm-hmm.
to just no?
No, yes, we can go for it.
Yeah. So let me just copy this code and paste it over here and then remove whatever not needed, right? Let me format it. Okay. I don't think so we will gonna need this script at all now, right? Uh, I'm little bit confused about this. Let's see what will happen with this. And hey Jess. Okay. Hmm. Hey Shekhar Rudra. Okay. So what I understand is we don't need this at all now, right? I think so. So uh, I'm literally confused with this. I will put it like a comment over here because I literally don't uh, think of it like how I will gonna display this. But let's go ahead. Then here we are listing chat, which is totally fine. We don't need offset or this ID anymore. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is totally fine. Then offset is 0. Okay, I would like to comment this one as well for now. Yeah. So here what we have fully, and I think so we can use islands here for this for each. Do you think that?
Let me see Islands document
Okay.
one
Yeah, you can see
for
that.
a moment.
And
Yeah,
what we will do here now, which is okay, what we have copied like okay, if this room is not equal to null, okay, then empty. So here we need to do that, or maybe inside this div probably, or most probably here, right? Yeah. So here we will have one div, or maybe which is not much, like which will not have any data at all. And what we will do is wire uh, intersect. I think so. Is it there? Let's, and we will have. Uh, I think let's check it. Most probably that only. But let's check it at least. I have opened the documentation, and we will gonna see islands directly, and this is not we wanna look. Okay, island also have its own placeholder. Maybe we can do.
yeah.
We can make it lazy as
Oh,
well.
that's crazy feature. Oh,
Yeah, but we don't. I
placeholders.
think we don't need that. I guess. I don't know. Okay,
We can remove our placeholder from class and we can put it there,
but we don't need a
right?
placeholder now.
It's more okay. For now we don't need, but
Let's see. Let's see. So, mm, okay. So there, that option is not here. We need to check wire intersect. I guess. So yeah, we are in the wire intersect, and we can see wire intersect. Okay. So we need to call simply load more. Why chats? It's about chats, so we don't need to like do chats. AI don't do that. Okay. After that, okay, on enter on leave, we will check when we need to do this. But wire once. I don't know. Or let's make it work with the load more at least first. So we have this chats. I think we don't need island for now. Let's just make it work, right? Okay. So we will actually need a public question mark, not question mark, integer, dollar offset, I guess. Off, off. Oh, okay. And it will be 0, right? I don't know if we should have a public integer dollar limit over here as well. Let's keep it 10 for now, right? Is it? Is it right? Then what we can do is we
yeah,
can
I
just
think we
copy
have
this.
this.
We can just copy this,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
I think we can copy full of this and we can just go there. Are we returning anything? Yeah, we are returning something and we can keep it. For imports, I think what I will gonna do is I'm literally like, or there is one more option as well though.
Copying the code.
No, no, I think there is one more option. So that's why I was thinking for copy because you need to check like which builder you need to import and that will be like a lot of confusing or maybe like time consuming at the end at least. So yeah, this was it,
Yeah.
and I think we can, yeah, we can just do this for now, and let's go for make public function load more. Okay. I
Do
always
you
write
know
load more spelling
we
wrong, but yeah.
can call this load more
Mm-hmm.
using wire island as well. Yeah. We got new modifier in this V4
Yeah, I know, but
wire
I
island.
want to go step by step, right? Not
Okay,
doing
sure.
everything at once. I mean,
Mm.
so oh, it works. You know, it works. See? Oh, okay.
Once verify that is it recursively calling the same chats?
Okay. So right now, what happening is when we change the room ID, right? We need to make. Okay, sorry, not that. Yeah, we need to make dollar this limit is equal to 10. Like let keep it static for now. So what was happening is when you change the room, all the chats will be loaded it already. You know what I mean?
Okay, yes, 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 yes. Got it.
Yeah, now it is working like this. So this is, I mean, this is temporary though, but yeah,
Mm.
like now it is working simply, I mean, but it is not utilizing islands, right? So what we will gonna
Yeah,
do
sure.
is, oh, let me do one thing first. Yeah. Okay. So it is working, but we also need to do one thing. We are not doing paginate, right? And we, okay, here what we can do is, so I think this we can put these all things outside now, right? Oh, okay. Here I guess, right? And when there is what we used to do is, so if there is count is equal to this. Oh, okay, I gotcha. So when count is equal to limit, else uh, I will explain you in a second, right? Okay. What we missed? What we missed? Nothing. This is, I think, IDE problem. Okay. So I think now we we are getting this, right? So when we
Yeah,
reach
we are into the
end,
game.
yeah, when we reach the end, we are getting this. But we also need to check when we have empty
Yeah.
room, we shouldn't have this and we should have this,
Eh,
right?
yes, sure.
And most
We can use
probably
one more thing here.
this will gonna work, but we don't need this. So I think I can put else over here, and I think I can put everything in this inside, and we will not have that. Yeah, perfect.
Yeah,
So we made it work, but this is not optimized version we used to we which we used to have. Like it is something
yeah,
simply which we could do in Livewire 3, right? And why it is not what we want? How can I explain? Is I don't know if we have like, let me check the env, and to open actually env I need to do something. thing like this. Otherwise, I will not be able to open the env. Do we have debug bar?
No, we don't.
Oh, we
Yeah.
don't have a debug bar. So how can I explain you that like this is, so this is not, what we did is not optimized version. Yeah, it is working, of course, but that is not optimized version, because what happens is when you scroll, each time it will load 0 to x, which is limit, which we are increasing every time, right? So it is like when you have 10 chats, it will load 10, but when you scroll it, it will load 20 instead of 10, right? And that is not good at all. Okay, but now what we will gonna
Okay,
do
so I
is,
have one question here.
mhm,
Sorry if I'm interrupting.
no, no,
Uh, we we uh we are you said we have 1 to 10 chats, then 10 to 20.
yeah, no, no,
So every
we so what happens is when you like scroll, and this load more is called, the 10 will be
yes,
now 20, right? And offset
okay,
will be 0 only, right? So it will load
okay,
0
okay,
to 20, not 0,
20,
10 to 20, right? And if I do like,
okay,
if I increase the offset, what will happen is first 10 will be
mm,
disappear and next 10 will be come, which will be like pagination, right? But we need a, we are talking about infinite scroll currently, correct?
yes, yes.
Yeah, so now what we will gonna do is we will gonna implement the islands, but before that, let, let's commit it. So even when someone watch it from the PR or something like that, they can understand like how we converted it, right? Okay,
Yeah.
so now what we will gonna do is, uh, as we can see here is, we have this, where we have it actually, where is the append stuff in this, like append, island appends, yeah, here it is. So okay, we can also do an on click as well, but you guys already know the intersect stuff, so we will not gonna do that actually, and we will gonna just do this.
Yeah, the click is not usable for our case.
Yeah, we can do that though, but yeah, but where we were. Okay, so firstly, let's enable the islands, and how to name the
Hmm.
islands. Okay, name. So this island name
Inside
will be
first property.
chats and something like this for sure, I guess. Yeah, and on this intersect stuff, we will say append to chats, right?
So I am confused here. Do we need to
Yeah,
append or prepend?
I literally don't know yet. Let's see first.
Let's check. Let's see
Yeah,
first. Yeah.
I'm damn sure that we will need to append, but I want to make it fail before we fix it, right? And now
Okay,
here, what
got
we
it.
will gonna do is, uh, we will just say offset is equal to offset plus or equal to limit. That's it, right? And we will make
Hmm.
offset 0, and we are not actually updating the limit, so there is no problem at all, right? So for that, actually, if we don't want to update the limit, I'm not sure about updating the limit yet. I think there will be no option at all in future even. So what we can do is we can say const integer, uh, limit is equal to 10, right? One thing I'm not sure currently, which is what, uh, which is what, yeah. that we can define the types to constant in PHP 8.3. I don't remember. So if it fails, we will gonna fix it. Okay, I think we are good to go already. I guess so. I don't know. Okay, but there is one more thing which we need to do is uh, offset this dot, this offset is equal to 0. Why? Because when you do filter, we will gonna start from 0 again, right? And I don't know if
Yes.
that I'm literally now curious to see when I filter something, how what will happen to the uh, islands.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay, I'm literally not sure. Okay, one thing I should do is uh,
Oh,
yeah,
what's
this error
facing me?
error is undefined variable chats. Wow, wow, wow. We have
Yeah,
chats. We have the chats, but we cannot get those chat into the islands. Is it?
but we named island chats. Let's rename it. Another thing.
Oh, okay.
Maybe. I'm not 100%
Could we?
sure.
Yeah, of course. Let's say chat lists.
Yeah, that's better name.
Also, we need to.
And I heard that, and I experienced also.
Mhm.
Islands are great if we worked with computer properties. They work great
But I mean, why we need a computed property right now? I don't know. So there is
because
error,
chats are
still
coming
errors.
from rendered
There
method.
is still same error.
What is
Okay.
uh,
Now I computed.
you
Okay.
see? I told you
You told me, but I
because
want to. Mhm.
com computer
Yeah, yeah.
get accessed when it's within the view source, or I what I can say.
Mm-hmm. Ah, gotcha. So when I see islands, it is only being used with the computed properties only. Okay, that is also good thing which we can do is public again, function again, chats again,
Hmm.
and
I think
this
computer
will
properties only will add more power to our
gonna
applications.
return collection, and it will be like electron collection, and we will gonna say return.
The same query
And
that we have there.
yeah, sure. Wow.
Oh,
No.
no, remove remove that part.
But there is now one more tricky part. I don't know.
What's that tricky part?
No, there is no tricky part.
Okay, yes, there is one thing. Yeah,
I
in
can fix that.
oh yes, you need to append this.
Let's see if we
Oh, you
have.
you, you forgot to add computed attribute.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, do it, bro.
We don't need anything like okay. It works. But I also want to check. Oh, okay. Now we have another problem, right? What?
hmm
So when we do, so I don't think so. This component is matter anymore. But there is a problem, which is when we do this append stuff, right?
Hmm.
At that moment,
Okay. Uh,
this stuff
we need to
will
decide. We need to append or depend, depending on the scroll position, right?
Oh, I literally don't know like if old
Yeah.
chats is
See,
coming. Oh
if you
yeah,
are scrolling down, then we need to
yeah, it's
append
working. I
latest
guess
chats.
it is working. I
Yeah,
guess.
but okay, but if you scroll up, then you need to prepend the old chats. So we need to check that.
Sorry. Let's go to this and okay, the offset is not reset, or there is some glitches are there.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So I what I understand is, hmm, so new chats are coming actually, like 1 year ago, right? 11 months ago. But what happening is when I go to room two again, right? The all chats are not getting removed from the island. Ah, that has been tricky. But we are getting the new chats.
Yeah.
So
Uh, e-
how to
reset, bro. Reset when that event get fired. Reset the chat's property. That's only thing I am
we don't
thinking right
have
now.
we don't it's not about the reset property or something like that. It is something when the component is not reloaded, but we need to reload islands without refreshing all the page and with some like I mean programmatically,
Okay,
and
but
I cannot
let's
see
try
any.
it. If you reset the property and
uh,
property is already computed property, then
uh,
island will work.
no, okay, I think I know the thing now. Room closed is happening. So when room closed is happening, right, what we can do is, what was the name?
Hmm.
Chat list, right? And refresh.
Yeah.
And I think now,
Do we have wire dollar?
yeah, now it is working actually. I'm literally not sure that what happening here is.
I
Yeah,
changed the room.
of course we will gonna do something to understand, but now if I change the room,
Mhm.
okay, nothing is happening.
Can,
So
can you
I
do a
think,
die and dump when room get changed?
oh sorry, wrong number. Huh. Now it will gonna work. See, it works.
Oh,
It
yeah.
works. So I have done here is, the problem was when you what you do is when you change the room, right, which is actually happening over here, right? When you change the room,
Mhm. Yes.
what happened is you are doing everything, but the problem is the island is isolated from the component itself, right?
Oh,
And due to that, the things between sorry, which is inside the island is not changing at all. Right?
yeah.
You
Got it. Got
understood?
it.
For
Yeah,
that, what
because
we
they are
did,
isolated.
there, yeah, there was two things we could do, which is, one is this .js, and of course JS. Yeah, this one, right? This could also work,
Hmm.
and
Okay.
this will also gonna work, because what we do is, what we do, I
We
think
are
I need
refreshing
to I
islands.
need I no no I need to show you index of rooms. uh, Here we dispatch, what I remember is, okay, so the literally I need to go to the rooms. Where are the rooms? Chats are here. Yeah, rooms, index, and when someone click here, we dispatch, this one is the close, not this one. Oh, this is something else. Sorry, my bad. Okay. So when someone click here, we dispatch room selected. Okay. So where the hell we are? Sorry, I shouldn't say that. But from where we are dispatching this room closed stuff. Okay, from here. Oh, room selected. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry, sorry. Okay, what happens is when we select any particular room. So here one tricky part is what was happening actually when you are listening to WebSocket for particular room and changing the room. What was happening? It was not closing the previous connection, right? So what we did is we opened, so we used to do room closed event, and not this. Here what we do is echo leave the channel itself, right? So what we used to do is we manually close the channel, so we don't need to refresh whole component, or we can say like read and the whole index component, the parent component or something like that, right? So we manually used to leave the event, right? So either we can run this here, or we can run into the PHP code itself, which is here. And I literally confused here. What we should do is, but what I prefer is JS code should be into the JS, right? Or here,
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you.
or we can say room
JS code should be
close.
in JS.
Yeah, so we can remove this from here.
Yeah.
Other
Remove the
thing what I
last
am
part.
thinking is a future dev or like the developer who is contributing will understand how the why islands are refreshing over here if we keep it over here.
Mm-hmm.
So let's do one thing, which is like remove it from here and see if that work first, right?
Okay.
Yeah, it is working, right? So if we keep there or here, that will gonna work, right? That is clear
Mm.
actually, and I think we need to append it because it is working. But the problem now I'm facing is the scroll bar. It is not preserving the scroll bar, which previously used to
Mm.
done.
Okay.
That we can do, but there is one more problem, right? Okay, I think this room changing stuff is fixed, right?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah,
Check that appendix or prepend is working.
yeah, that is also working because we are getting older messages, right?
Okay.
Correct,
Right.
correct. Because if I go to room
Yeah.
two, we have few messages over
Mm.
here, few messages over here, and which is continuously we are getting. But the problem is,
Mm. Got it.
the problem is okay. First problem I need to check is we created a new room and the new no new messages is working fine, right? Because we will not have island at all. But now the
Mm.
other problem is when we don't have uh oh oh this one is also one more problem I guess. Oh, I don't know if it is because this will not gonna reload. So I think we need to put this all stuff into the island itself. Yeah,
Mm. But they are
true.
empty states. Why we need to put there?
That is not empty status. So
Empty states.
in the island we need to put this, right? Now we got you reached the beginning, right? See, and there is a problem. Let me open.
No, island at its correct place.
See, there is a no. It's a WebSocket problem. I don't know. That should be fixed. So intersect stuff is not working at all. And okay. So okay. 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 Hmm. I don't know how we will gonna fix it. I need to check and like push my mind a bit further. So, mm, okay. Hmm. 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 This should be in the island, I guess. Do you think? I think so. This should be in the island itself, or maybe everything should be in the island. I'm literally thinking that let's put this into the island. Yeah. Okay. But this intersect is not working. Huh? Oh, oh, okay. Now, okay. So if I put that into the island, we don't get this one somehow. Okay. I think I need to understand more about this and fix it. Uh, so this one is so what happens is okay. I don't know what can I do now. Hmm. I have two things. Okay, gotcha. Got nah not ha yeah yes got it. I think what I can do is simply else, but the else will be not there at all. Hmm. This is going a bit crazy now. Javi, you understood the problem?
No, actually, I don't got that.
Okay, so let me explain you first. So maybe everyone can also understand. So what we do? So this is working, right?
Yes.
Correct. Correct.
Mm.
See, let's go to the network. If I scroll back, see it is again and again calling,
Yeah,
right?
I can see. Yes,
Why?
because
Because
intersect is working.
this is outside of island, and we said here which is appends to island. So when we have this wire island stuff, it will only refresh the islands. So this code will not gonna run at all, or if even if it is running,
Oh,
right?
okay.
Yeah. So we need to fix that. We need to
Because
fix that problem.
islands are isolated, so there are both side pros and cons, right?
Correct.
How we can fix that?
Yeah, that is what I'm thinking. Let's see the
Mm.
documentation bit if we have something related to that. There.
Yeah, I can say one thing.
Yeah.
Last time I followed the this tutorial.
Mm-hmm.
From the component, we can trigger islands to refresh, and from islands, we can trigger back to components so that other parts can get refreshed.
Gotcha.
We just need to search right now.
Mm. But like the documentation is fully over here.
Yeah, yeah,
So
documentation is shown here.
monthly breakdown, everything refresh button will only like refresh the current island. Up and prepend we
I think
seen
we are
already.
using named islands, right?
Sorry.
Yeah, we are using named islands,
Yeah, of course. But
and
there
we
is
are
no option because
calling.
we need to when we need to do append stuff, we need to do that.
We need to pass the name, right?
Yeah. And there is one refresh
Okay.
button. Custom loading state is also there. Oh, we need to show the loading. I don't know. Loading will be like something where, okay, let me copy the placeholder
Yeah, that's you can
and
paste
I can
directly in the blade
paste
file.
that into here.
After island,
Sorry.
after
So
other island, you can paste
no,
that.
no, so that we have see this loader, nothing else.
Mm.
So now now I can also show you the problem, which is like after we have all the
Oh, oh,
chats,
oh, oh, oh.
it will
Mm.
it will always do this stuff.
Okay.
Hmm. So what happens is when you like do wire island stuff, it will not gonna refresh other part, and we actually want
Mm.
to refresh other parts when oh okay. I don't know. I still not able to see that stuff, which is actually refreshing the parent from the island. What you were talking about.
Uh, Actually, that is triggering islands from JavaScript, which I saw at that time. Okay, if you see this part before consideration,
Hmm.
you say any wire method works with $var island, including refresh, reset, or toggle.
But the problem is when you call refresh, when refresh button is clicked, only island re-renders. The rest of computer will remain untouched. Oh my gosh. There will be some option though.
Yeah, go at the last section of the documentation, at the last page.
Last page.
Yeah, 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 here. See, before consideration, you will have
Hmm.
one code block. Yeah, here.
Hmm.
Read that any wire method with island method including.
This is again about island, right? And we use this one already there, right?
So,
So I don't think so.
okay, naming island.
Crazy, right?
Mm.
This variable not be accessible, and island won't work like this. Island won't work like this. Instead, do this. We are doing that synchronization. Although island are
Kunal, there is one thing.
mm-hmm.
There is one thing.
Sure.
Inside
Say say.
island, we passed a name property, but we
Correct.
always have one more parameter called always. So when the room changed, that the whole component get
No, no,
rendered.
that is not.
So if
That
we
is not.
passed, okay,
Mm,
have you
when
read
use
that?
islands, the most beneficial for yeah. You are talking about right always render right.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is inverse thing. You know what I mean? This is inverse thing. We are looking for something where we can reload component itself instead of islands. So from islands we need to refresh the component or something like that, or maybe I don't know. Yeah, I mean this
Mhm.
is going crazy now actually.
But that is the wrong case. Maybe that is the wrong case. But why we need
Someone have
that way?
commented something. Islands is a server-side
Yeah.
component which can be loaded in lazy way. Also, add it uses Livewire poll to get the updates and it renders. it renders the island only for the optimization purpose. I don't know what he's saying, but yeah, we are looking for something where I don't know. I mean, there is nothing for that. I don't know.
Maybe we are in wrong direction.
Possibly. Uh, let's search something. What refresh hmm, island nested islands. Let's see nested island. What it does. So islands inside islands, right? And if I do refresh over here, it will refresh only this. If I refresh over here, if I refresh. Oh, this is always render the thing. Uh, open and we have already seen. Okay, this one is tricky for me right now. I need to like learn more about this one. Then I can understand maybe going crazy. I
Yeah,
have
same
think of
stuff here.
few things already, but let's see the intersect. Okay, no, I don't know if that works. Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Uh, mm, okay, I will try something. Right, we have this wire intersect stuff, right?
Hmm.
Right. So here I can have like dollar wire dot chats dot. So what we do is limit. Ah, okay. Count, right? I think I can count like this. I don't know. Is equal to
Yeah, you can access. But
is less than limit, right? Then we will do dollar wire dot refresh or else null, right? Else nothing.
how many jets you have?
The thing same thing I was thinking. Oh, now it started failing.
Oh,
Okay. Do we have any errors in console? Yeah, we have. So it
mm.
says that wire chats count is not a function. Okay. So how to count
Wire jet count.
length?
Oh, it's length, bro. You are in JavaScript world.
Oh yeah.
Let's see.
But I will change the room for now. No, I okay, there is
Oh,
one error.
method
Okay,
not
refresh
found.
method
Which
is not
method?
on the component, which is cool. Which is cool. It has done something, but so it has done something actually. So refresh method is not there,
Oh, yes.
but I think this will gonna work. Oh, it worked. You reached the beginning. Okay. Okay.
Great,
But
great.
now
Check
I'm
that
literally not
last
sure if
part.
that working. Let me reload it at least. Okay. First work, second worked, third not
Why we
working.
have this?
Okay. So what actually happening is this will not even gonna. Oh, gotcha. Okay, okay. Now we are actually leading to this, which is. Hmm, I not the, oh sorry, not teleport. Yeah, the island. I think we are reaching it. Hmm. So what we can do
Mhm.
is we not this one actually. Here. So we seen something where you can find the island, right?
Trigger JavaScript.
And
Yeah,
no triggering island from the JavaScript, right? So can
JavaScript. Yes.
can I do can I do can I do uh like dollar uh Iceland and like oh okay list chat and chat's length. Do you think we can do that? Oh okay. Uh, let's me reload it again. Okay, something is happening, but it is
Hmm.
not understandable. Hmm. Okay. Can I remove this and just do console.log? Oh, okay. I think I should do X. No. Wire intersect is good. Otherwise, console.log, right? So we can. Oh, what it is saying? Wire.console log is not a function. Oh. Window.console log does not the function. Document. I am literally. Okay. Again, what it says cannot read properties of what it is saying undefined. So how to do console log then? Okay, it says window dot. What it is saying? Same. Now it's going crazy. I cannot do console log. Can I do alert? No. Oh, it says now there is no public method alert. Oh, so I need to do X intersect. I told you, I guess. Ah, zero, zero. Okay. Hmm. And what if I do this? Zero, zero. Okay. I'm literally going crazy now. Undefined. Okay. There are no hopes. Okay. Can I do get? And of course, I will have to do this. But why not? Why it is not doing alert at all? Oh, there are error. Cannot read the property of undivided. Oh. Okay. I tried many things. but this will not gonna work at all. Now, we are cooked. And now my last hope is, what is my last hope?
I
Is,
think
yeah.
the very first version of list chat component
Hmm, what?
is good. I think here only we need to use island.
No, 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 no. That is not the case. Hmm. So how? I mean, they could show example like this. Like, where was the append stuff? Yeah, here it is. Oh, they don't have shown the intersect.
Hmm.
There was somewhere intersect, I guess. Okay. Uh, this is a bit tricky part, and I'm okay. Literally a bit confused about this. Okay, okay, okay. I have one last thing which I can do, which
Hmm.
is, mm, I mean, it will be a temporary solution for sure, not the biggest one, right? So, if I say like, if I don't know if like this is good or bad or something like that, but what I see is this is only the way right now, right? And where we were? Oh yeah, this one. Yeah. So okay, what are you are joining from another system already? So
Yeah,
what
that
I do
for
is, if the chats count is less than, right, so then I will dispatch the event, right, called no more chats to self, right, correct.
okay.
And on this one, what I will do is I will have another div, right, which will have, uh, I don't know, x on is equal to no more. What was that? Right, and dollar
Hmm.
refresh. This is the last of, right, and if that does
Okay.
not work, and
Dollar refresh or this refresh?
dollar refresh is fine.
In we are in Alpine, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
I don't
Oh,
know if that even called
what is this
this
error?
one. There is error. Oh, the
Okay,
these all
that's
error of WebSocket
WebSocket.
only. Yeah,
WebSockets. Yes,
WebSocket.
yes, yes.
Yeah, WebSocket. No more chats. We dispatch the event called no more chats, and we done on no more chats. Refresh, right? Or we can do alert maybe.
Yeah, just for testing.
Yeah. So if that like, oh sorry, if that is working
But
actually.
system alert. Hey, let's do one thing.
Yeah.
Can you please die and dump from backend method?
What?
Yeah. Go to that backend method. Yeah, die and dump here, so we will able to know is it dispatching or not. Oh, it's dispatching, bro. And something we are doing wrong on front end side. No more chats. Is the spelling right? No more chats. Yeah.
Wait.
Let me read Alpine documentation.
No. The wire on is there. Do we have wire on? No. Okay. Alpine.js. Okay, alpine.js.dev. We can say X on. Oh, it's called X on. X on click. Uh, X X submit key up. Okay, gotcha. But yeah, I think we need to do here document, right? Maybe. Oh, okay. We actually we can just remove this for now. Please. Ah, worked. And now what we can do here is, bro, please. Worked. But there is
Okay.
one problem, which is now it will also see this. So it will check the chats again, right?
Okay.
And that is what we don't wanna do. Okay. So, hmm, but actually, hmm, hmm, so what actually happening here is, how can I explain? I mean, let's temporarily add a composer R Laravel debug bar, and it will probably search, and we can say number two, yeah, as a dev. Oh, it's asking for token. Why? Now this is going crazy. Like, why I need the token to install debug bar?
Because there is, I think, one premium version as well
No, this one is
for
not
debug
that.
bar.
No, no, this is not that
Okay.
one. So let me go to the GitHub. Actually, currently I have like a token, so maybe that's why. Let me just quickly create a new token and classic token, generate new. Oh, I need to do 2FA 91. Okay, 2FA is done. Paste. Only repository access is generate. Copy. Paste. What?
got successful.
Yeah, but a bit crazy. But yeah. So debug bar is already there,
Hmm.
and yeah, we have the debug bar now. And let I can show you that. Firstly, let's see the queries. So it only loads new chats, right? But on the last call, it also loads the chats, which is not needed at all. You know what I mean?
Okay, that was the issue.
From 10 to 40. Oh yeah, from offset 40. So we need to fix that actually. Otherwise, everything is fine, right?
Hmm.
So let's think what we can do. Hmm. Okay, I have an idea, and we can actually remove this and this and this. Okay, right? And we can have one more div over
Hmm.
here, right? And we have one more div over here as well. I don't know
Yeah.
if it is cool or not, but let's do it, right? And I can put this directly here, right? And what I will do here is x data is equal to, in curly braces, I will say have ha, has more chats or something like that, or like it could be something better as well, right? Is equal to true, right? No semicolon needed. Correct?
Okay.
Are you copy that? Has more chats to false. X show
So,
if has more chats, and here we will gonna do X show if there is no has more chats. Correct? I hope you
mhm.
got that. And if that were, oh, we got error.
Oh, we are at
Is it correct or not?
key, array, string. Key should be in string
Oh,
inside data. Yeah, and you need a column there.
I hope that will gonna work. It worked. And we don't
Yeah,
have had extra queries for that. See,
great.
only 5 requests. And previously we had a
Mm,
6 request due to our refresh, and it worked.
got it.
Now we need to
See
check
the
one
end
thing,
part.
which is like if that works. Okay, okay, okay. Sorry. We need to do hi 2, and it worked. Perfect. Uh, this works. This works.
Oh,
Okay,
okay,
this failed.
okay. Your Vim is not running.
Or maybe due to the WebSocket or something like that. I don't know.
Yeah,
Why that fell?
WebSocket.
Or it is on the
Or
top
maybe
or something.
no,
Okay.
it should be on the
If you
bottom.
think if it is about WebSocket, then what I can say do is PA reverb colon run run or start.
Start.
Then one more thing I can do. No, I think
What
it's
is your
running in
Q
the
driver?
CC.
Is your Q driver is database or
Okay, it was there actually, but it is so high. Oh, okay, I got it. I got it. I got the stuff which I need to do is, so what we used to do is, uh so if you see here, we had this. Oh, we had this one as well. But okay, I don't care about that. Uh I care about what, which is, we already stretched it a lot, but yeah, this one, right? And where we need to put this is here, and we don't need to talk about offset. We can directly put it to 0, and I think now this will gonna work. What do you think? Yeah, it worked.
yeah, let's see.
But now
Okay.
we can do this. It worked actually, but we don't need that at all now. So here we have that. Oh, here we don't need this. Yeah, here we need this. Actually, we can just list chat. Oh my gosh, this should be chat chats list or chat list, right? And we can do that over here as well. Perfect. Okay, this worked. Perfect. Now we need to see one more thing which should work, which is when I say hi here, no messages yet should be removed. Perfect. So I think we have fixed that already, right? And it is like, okay, let me remove debug bar for now, and if we needed that,
Hmm.
we will do a separate
Yeah.
PR for to remove that. Composer I. Oh my gosh.
What happened?
Okay, so here we can see that this stuff started working, right?
Okay. Yes.
And
Yes. Yes.
currently we don't have any bugs. So infinite scrolling with islands,
Island.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I was
Okay.
just pronouncing it funnily. That's it. Okay. Now what we can do is we can, I don't know, we can just remove this chat list stuff, which we don't need at all now. How complex it
Hmm.
was.
Okay.
And we can remove this chat list as well. And then we can remove this, yeah, this one as well. But before that, uh, I, we need to, okay, let's remove it. So we removed what happened. Yeah, we removed what we didn't need it, right? We don't need now or anymore, right? And now index test. We need to update the test, right? Or we already have that. I don't know. So I think JV,
Okay.
we already uh, done it more than an hour, right? So
Yeah. Sure.
this taste stuff we can do it offline, right? Let's ask the audience if they want us to do it right now. We can do. Otherwise, let's do it offline. I
Okay.
think you will be
Yeah, we
already
can handle
this
this.
offline, right?
This states thing we can do it offline. Yeah. Right.
Okay. So Livewire chat app. Let me just share. Let me just open the. Island, right? I will draft it for now. I will put details and stuff later on. Right.
Yeah,
I am sharing this pull request to everyone. Or maybe yeah.
yeah, so that some expert of Livewire can also review this.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. That's it now. So we have, you can see that what we did is we added everything into the, oh, the taste will fail actually. Now I remember.
Okay,
So
taste will
let me
fail, taste will
quickly
fail.
quickly fix some stuff, which is, yeah, this.
Don't worry, I think we can go for it. If
Sorry,
it's
what?
already a draft pull request.
Sorry.
We are only opening a draft pull request, so
Oh
if
yeah, but it
taste is
is
failing,
simple
then no
enough. So
concern.
it is simple enough. So I thought like,
Okay,
yeah, this will be failing. Else, oh, taste are failing. Oh, linting is failing. Okay, I linted this. Let's run the test actually. Composer test. Reactor is passing. Hopefully, linting will pass as well. Then PHP stand is, oh wow, rector two times. Why rector is running twice? Because we have added this twice, I guess. Yeah. Why we even need that? And not from here as well. Sorry. And PHP stand is running. I think we can look out later this. I don't know. Okay, PHP stand has 4 errors. Specifically on line 79. Okay. What it says? Oh, undefined property. So it is the computed property. So we can just do something like this. Uh, Collection array key chats. Yeah, fine, perfect. Then count on mixed. That will be fixed along with that. And G96. Oh, what it says? Argument one of the count expect the variable uncountable, but array string null given. Oh, filters can be null as well. Why? Filters shouldn't be null. Rector is done. Linting is done. PHP stand most probably done, I guess. Okay, one error. Last error. What it says?
okay,
Call count on number 80. Okay,
okay, that's the component which
80.
you did.
So I mean, oh, okay. We haven't said this will be null any day. Is it? Will it be null? No, right? We are not returning null at all. Oh, we need to check that as well, though. So we have empty room. Ah, yeah, we already checked. So it will be never null, right? Correct.
Mm.
We need to take care like how AI is writing our code.
Mm.
Okay, so this has been done.
We need
Now
more
type
review.
coverage will be most of probably done already. I think we are running out of the time. So this one is the last of which we are doing. And taste coverage will be failing, I guess. And oh, taste coverage. That was the type coverage. Okay, I think we can check the remaining stuff. Stop. Yeah, later on. So one taste is also failing. We can check it this stuff later on, right?
Yeah,
Correct. Perfect. Okay. So thanks for joining. And
yeah.
yeah, staying for like
For
one and a
now, we
half hour.
stop here.
Yeah. Bye, guys.